Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2 Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to message someone on TikTok. If you want to learn more about this, please do watch this video till the end. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel 1-2 Step for more how-to video tutorials like this one. Also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any updates from us. So now let's get started. So first we'll open TikTok. To message someone on TikTok, first you'll click on inbox over here. And then you'll click on the top right this pen writing option. So here you have the new chat option. So in TikTok, you can only message someone if they're following you back. If you're following a user and they're not following you back, you will not be able to send them a message. So let's say BBC, I'm following them, but they're not following me back, so I cannot send them a message. So the message is not sent. But let's say if there's someone following me back, we're friends, that is I'm following them and they're following me back, I can send them a message by clicking here. So yes, so if you have many followers and many people friends here, you can just search their names and then click on their name and then send them a message. So it's very easy. That's how you send a message on TikTok. I hope you learned that through this video. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.